Okay, today we'll discuss about the cascading of multiplexers. So first thing we'll do is we'll design 4:1 mux using two 2:1 multiplexers. So what I have done here is I have drawn two 2:1 multiplexers which has two input lines or data lines D0 D1, and here this is also D0 D1, but I have named it as D2 D3. See the select line, both these multiplexers have single select line, so inbuilt single select line, so that is shorted, and the two outputs of the y1 of this and y2, that means output of mux1 and output of mux2, they are odd and a final output is taken out. Now as you know, 4:1 mux, to design a 4:1 mux we need two select lines. So from where to get the second select line, because already we have one select line S0. So if I make it 0, D0 and D2 both are selected because it is shorted, but I want only one output at a time. So what how to create another select line is to make a use of enable line. So both these multiplexers have enable lines. So enable, we are assuming it as active low enable, so directly enable line is connected to first mux, and see through an inverter the input is given to the enable line 2. So when I am calling this line as S1 line. So when I make this 0, S1 as 0, that means enable 1 as 0, this multiplexer is activated, and as this is through NOT gate going to this, ये 0 है तो इसको 1 मिलेगा, enable of second mux will be 1. So this is not selected, so output will not go from here, so output will go on from here, right? So S1, I'll say this is S1, which is same as enable of this, and S1 bar will be enable of this. So here I have made a table. S1 will select the mux and S0 will select the particular input. So this will select mux 1 and this will select your mux 2. So when I make S1 0, S1 0, this gets selected, and depending on what I select on S0, either 0 or 1, D0 or D1 is selected. So if S0 is 0, D0 is selected. If S0 is 1, D1 is selected. Now when I make S1 is equal to 1, this is deactivated and this 1 goes through this NOT gate and this becomes 0. So this mux is activated or this mux is selected, and again depending on S0, whether it is 0 or 1, D2 or D3 is selected. So we have achieved 4:1 mux. Now see 4:1 mux using two 2:1 multiplexers. So it is very simple. Cascading of multiplexers is through enable, right?